So this is my Zenbook ASUS Zenbook UX31L. It's a rare model because usually the model name is UX31A or 31L. I don't know why mine is 31LA. This one I built on the Best Buy or something for a refurbished model, so it's always a little problem on it. So when I built this one, the keyboard actually not work very well with the enter. You can see when I push this, it's not very smooth. And recently, I don't know why this button is not working anymore. So I need to change it. So this is I bought from the eBay, about $22 for a substitute. This is the cheapest one, but this is actually the Thailand model. So you can see there's Thailand word on the keyboard. And by the way, I'm from Taiwan, not from Thailand. So, but anyway, this is the, or if you want to buy an English version like this one, it might cost you $50 to $70, but this one is $22. So I hope this will works. Also, it's cheap. But you can see there's totally different material on the keyboard. The original one like plastic and block. I like to be honest, I like this color more, but this one is I think this one is aluminum or something, but this quality looks like better. So the color is not my favorite. And this is the back side. There's thing a little phrase here. I don't know why when you send there's let's hope this will not affect the function. So I'm going to change this right now.